Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about how to become an entrepreneur in the field of pharmacy. Suppose you are a B.Pharm graduate or you are a diploma holder in the field of pharmacy, and you are interested to become an entrepreneur. So what is the procedure and what are the different requirements to open an industry or to open a medical shop? So first of all, you have to apply through online, and the website is wbhealth.gov.in. So you can search it in Google, whereas the page will open, whereas in the West Bengal Health website, you will find at the left side there is a caption, namely e-governance. So there you will find another subheading, that is e-Bhisojo drug license. That portion you have to click. If you click that one, that will be opening a new page, and that page contains all the details of requirements and what is the procedure, how we can proceed to open a medical shop or to open an industry. So first of all, requirements. What are the requirements? First one is infrastructural requirements. Okay, to open a building, to open a medical shop, you must have a building. And what are the criteria of the building? The area of the building must be more than 120 square feet in area in case of retail shop. In case of wholesale shop, that should be more than 150 square feet, and height of the building will be more than 8.5 feet. It is better if you are having the building height 9 feet. Okay, then the wall criteria, the wall and the floor should be clean and should be free from any type of crevices. Okay, and that three walls should be there, and one side there will be door. More than one door is not recommended for opening a medical shop. Okay, then what are the documental requirements? Okay, first one is sale deed. You must have a sale deed. If you do not have that occupation of that particular land, then you may take a agreement for taking a lease. Okay, so lease agreement must be more than 3 years. It may be 3 years, it may be 5 years, or it may be 10 years, and there should be no objection certificate from the landlord, and which is a affidavit by first class magistrate. Then second one is that medical shop must have a meter, electric meter, on the name of the medical shop, or there should be no objection certificate, and there should be one refrigerator on the name of the medical shop. Next is there is requirement of a registered registered pharmacist. Okay, so that means the certificate provided by Pharmacy Council of India of that corresponding state. Suppose for West Bengal, it is given by West Bengal Pharmacy Council of India, it is from Purto Bhavan. So that certificate is belonging from the pharmacist. Okay, along with that, there must be a affidavit which indicates that your pharmacist is engaged with this medical shop, and that is affidavit by first class judicial magistrate. Okay, next one is all the identification document like PAN card, voter card, and Aadhaar card, along with 2 copies of the photo of the pharmacist is required. Okay, next document which is required for opening a medical shop is you have to apply all these documents, along with all these documents which must be in PDF format only. Okay, so you scan all those documents and make it in PDF format and get ready for apply to the e-Bhisojo website. Whereas if you click there, there will be opening another page which contain the registration first. Okay, so like email address, you have to first register there, then you have to log in and click opening of new shop. For 2 options, it may be retail or it may be wholesale. So according to your need, you can open, and after that process you have to submit all the documents, and you have to pay fees also online, and after that you will get, when you will click the submit button, you will get an acknowledgement, which after that automatically transfer this document to the corresponding authority, that is West Bengal Drug Control Office, and within 3 months you will get communication from them, so that you can open a medical shop. If there is any deficiency, they will also communicate further. You can resubmit that one for a final opening of your medical shop. Okay, I encourage you all those who are studying pharmacy, if you are not interested in doing job, so business is alternative option, it is not bad. So other than pharmacy people, they are doing very well business and they are making profit in this field. So why not pharmacy people can do their business on your own? So I encourage all those basically diploma holders, those who are having this opportunity or having background of giving some support, financial support, they can go for business. It is very good business. So I encourage you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you are having any doubt in opening medical shop, please feel free to contact. Thank you very much, or comment it in the in the comment box. I'll try to give you the solution on my own way. Thank you very much.